That's a very good.
What's up Sushi Lovers family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi Man Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you, especially to my vegan Sushi Lovers family, vegan deep fried sushi rolls. It's a very simple but really delicious. For this, I'm gonna use very different ingredients. To make the vegan sushi rolls, here I have the sushi rice. If you don't know how to make sushi rice, you can check link on my description box. Here is the French garlic, that is the almond, and here is the sesame seeds, deep fried crunchy onion. Here is the sesame, some people call also tograsi. Here is the tofu, that is the 100% bio tofu. I have here the asparagus and vegan mayonnaise, sriracha, teriyaki sauce, dried coconut, and here is the mango. I have here the seaweed, and I'm gonna use the lima, lemon, and the avocado, and maybe let's see, I'm gonna use the strawberry. Okay, just a little bit olive oil, just a little bit salt. Let's fit the tofu, okay? Yes, you can see the color of the tofu looks like a little bit brown. I'll do a little bit more time so it will be more crunchy and the extra level of textures. Nice, it's enough. Yes, I have here the tofu. To make the deep fried vegan sushi rolls, I'm going to use a little bit rice, almost 130 grams sushi rice. Seaweed always have the fine side and rough side. I always use to rough side for to place the sushi rice. I'm gonna place the sushi rice here, as you can see here, just a little bit softly and gently. Just press a little bit. Now I will use inside the sushi rolls this tofu. And the asparagus. And mango. I'm going to use the avocado also. If you don't know how to cut avocado, I just upload the video about how to cut avocado for sushi rolls. You can check link on my description box, okay? Now I'll use little bit crunchy cibola frita, crunchy onion fried, deep fried onions. Let's roll it. To roll, leave one finger just. I have here two fingers. It will be hard to close, so I'm gonna push down a little bit. Yes, I have here almost one finger here. Now let's close it. Yes, secure the ingredients by 3 fingers and hold the bamboo mat by 2 fingers, and let's roll it very carefully and gently, softly. Yes, let's mash the sushi rice on the top of the nori so it will be closed properly. Yes, now roll again and roll again. Yes, that's it. Always put the closing part always on the bottom so it will be closed properly. That's our sushi roll. I'm gonna make another also. Okay, now the important thing is I will use almond. How I'm going to use the almond, okay? That's the almond with the skins, okay? Also you can use without the skins also. I'll use a little bit dry coconut powder. Just this one is enough. It will give the really good flavor. After that, I'm gonna use breadcrumbs. Yes, that's enough. Okay, I'm going to make the butter. To make the butter, I'm going to use the tempura flour, and I'm going to use just a little bit salt. I see cold water, okay? That's a cold water. And mix it. You can leave a little bit floury so it will be a more crunchy. That's it. Nice. Now I'll put a little bit here tempura flour. That's the important part, because if you put the little bit tempura flour on outside of the sushi roll, it will grab more tempura butter. Not only that ones, it will stop to go well inside the sushi roll during the deep fried times, okay? And also it will make more crunchiness. I have the breadcrumbs with dried coconuts and almonds, and here is my butter. Ai meu Deus, graças de Deus. Puta que pariu. I'm sorry. Yes, now I'll dip that sushi rolls on the butter. I'm pretty sure that sushi roll will be really good. Nice, it's grabbing very well butter. Now I'm gonna put here and I will roll it. Nice. You can see here that sushi roll is taking the almonds also and the dried coconut powder also. Nice. I'm gonna put this ones here. It's almost ready to deep fry it. Nice. Again, let's do another one. Here we go. Nice. That side also I'm gonna put breadcrumbs. That's it. Here we go. Yes, here is our breaded sushi roll. I'm going to fry it right now. Here I'm using vegetable oils. If you want to see the oil is good or not, you can put your finger. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. The oil is very good. Let's see. Yes, oil is ready. Now I'm gonna put my sushi rolls. Just flip the other side. I have here one remaining. I'm gonna fry it seems like that one. The color should be a golden brown. So if the color became a golden browns, our sushi roll will be ready to cut and serve. It's going good. I'm gonna flip it again. If the color became same as like that ones, my sushi roll is good. You can hear the sounds. Nice. It's very crispy and crunchy. It looks like so delicious. The almond is giving the extra crunchy level. Nice. That's very good. I hope it looks like good and delicious also. How is it?
It's very delicious. Wow.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
I'll dry with the peppers. Then I'm gonna cut, okay? To cut the deep fried sushi rolls, I love to use the serrated knife. It will be easy to handle it. Nice. I'm gonna do the plating here. Wow, it looks like very good, crunchy and really delicious. For the topping, I love to use teriyaki sauce. If you don't know how to make teriyaki sauce, you can check link on my description box. And that's the spicy mayo I just made. Yes, now I'll just little bit toss with the French garlic and the sesame seeds. That's our deep fried vegan sushi rolls. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.